try. Whoa. What shall
Man, unfortunately, you know, you have to leave soon. Kweku, how you doing, man?
I'm good, bro.
Bro, just tell me, how did this come about with Rocky Dawuni? Because he's not an easy man to get. One of the biggest artists, exports out of Africa.
Yes.
I just want to know, was it the song that caught him? Was it a relationship you had with him? Was it an experience? Please just tell us about how this feature came about.
Okay, so Rocky Dawuni went on an interview and he was talking about me.
Oh, that's how you...
Yeah, that's how I got to him. Oh. So I used that opportunity to send him a DM on Instagram.
Okay.
So we even had a conversation, not even about the song.
Okay.
Then later on, I planned to do something with him. So it was like, cool. It wasn't difficult because he likes me already.
Yeah. Were you surprised?
Yeah.
When you hear Rocky Dawuni
mentioning me on the radio,
right?
Like it was on TV. Yeah, I was very surprised and I was very grateful.
Yeah. So this song, Praise, did you have it in your archive already?
No.
Or was it like you heard about it and like, I have
to do something. So I called Stallion, he produced this.
Okay.
I called him and I was like, no, let's do something for Rocky Dawuni.
Okay.
So I didn't even know that it would be a reggae beat.
Okay.
That Stallion
Yeah, that's what I was about to actually ask you.
Yeah.
Have you jumped on these beats?
No, this is my first time.
Sheesh, bro. Like, how was that
time
in the studio? Because, you know, genres, they're not the easiest thing to play around with if you're not really paying attention to it. How was it, you know, jumping on a beat like that? And again, this is a song you're going to send to Rocky. He might say yes, he might say no. Right?
So, do you know, the funny thing is, it's part of the easiest songs that I've made.
For real?
Yeah, the easiest songs. It wasn't difficult, me, like, doing this song. It wasn't difficult.
Yeah. So you sent it to him?
I sent it to him.
Okay. How long did it take for him to respond?
Okay, so I sent it to him, then we went to the studio together.
Okay.
So he recorded it when I was around.
Sheesh.
So it was a great experience. Me,
like seeing Rocky Dawuni make music.
Yeah.
Bro, that's crazy, man. And then after that, he agreed to do the music video.
So he showed up. It was 2 locations. He put up the first location, second location. And after the video shoot, we spent like almost 3 hours having conversations, different conversations.
Yeah. What's it like talking to someone like Rocky? Because I've spoken to him on TV. He's someone who's always advising, you know. Whenever I'm speaking to him, he's telling me, you know, do this, don't do that, ignore these. Like he's always like trying to put some form of knowledge across. How was that? How was your experience with him when it came to it?
I really like that part of him because he always tried to motivate and also advise with the young ones anytime he meets or catch up with us. So I really like that part.
Nice one, man. So this is second song of the year?
Yeah, the second.
The first one was Rasta Man.
Yeah, okay, so High.
Okay,
High delayed us. High was last year, it was off my EP.
Okay.
But it pops up during, I think, February, March.
Okay.
Yeah, so it delayed us, then Rasta Man came, then Praise.
And this one, how has the response to these 3 songs been?
Oh, yeah, it's doing well so far, so good.
And what's the plan for 2024, man?
2024 it will be a big year for Kweku Flick. Yeah, because I'll be having my own concerts again.
For real?
Oh, yeah, again.
Oh, bro, that's crazy. It's also going to be in Tema, because I saw you this is Tema. Or is it going to be somewhere? Is it going to be in Kumasi? Is it going to be in Accra?
I'm now planning about that.
Okay. And how was the experience about when it came to, you know, this system called Sakwadi?
It was a great experience. A big shout out to Obede for putting me on because it's a big platform for every artist to be on. So I really appreciate that.
Yeah,
it was a great experience.
Yeah, and I also, you know, I want to congratulate you. Unfortunately, we don't have too much time, but you know, bro, and the work you've put in is like you're just always up to something. That's one thing I've learned about you. You're always up to something. It's either a video, a song, or a concert you're performing at. And what you wore was dope. I saw you got a lot of reactions. Who told you to wear that? Was that your decision?
Okay, so I'll give a big shout out to what's his name? Lucky Bless.
Okay.
Lucky Bless. He's a stylist. Yeah. Oh. So I've made up my mind that every stage that I'll be on, I want to be different from every artist.
Okay. So we're going to see more of that. Because, bro, I saw the videos. I was in there. I saw the video and I was like, is that Kweku?
Yes.
Because now I always see like baggy jeans and some sneakers.
So now we are going like crazy. Different style. Yeah.
Okay. So we should expect more of that.
Expect more.
Yeah. And I'm seeing that even in the music video of Rocky. You know, the fashion sense is very different. I like that because, you know, as an artist, you have to evolve, you have to grow, and it's very good to see. Bro, what do you want to add? What do you want to tell your fans?
Oh, yeah. I want to give a big shout to everyone supporting Kweku Flick. A big shout to Jason too.
Yeah, my bro.
Yeah, being there for me anytime.
Always, man.
And also go stream the song everywhere.
Okay, bro.
Yes.
God bless you, man.
Thank you very much,
We're
bro.
gonna have more like interviews going
sure,
forward, have longer conversations.
Sure.
But I appreciate you for making time. And yeah, bro, you've done a lot, and I'm
you.
sure 2024 is going to be even bigger.
Sharp.
Should we expect some singles?
Oh yeah. Singles. More singles will be dropped.
More singles.
Yeah.
Nice. More crazy fashion.
More crazy.
And the hair's getting longer too.
Yeah,
You know,
man,
this is
yeah,
a good
man,
sign
yeah,
he's
man,
eating
yeah,
good.
man. Yeah, man.
Kweku's really
Yeah,
eating
man.
good because
Yeah,
the hair is looking lush, right?
man.
Unfortunately, I have to sign off here.
Yeah.
Again, thank you so much.
Yeah,
God
man.
bless
Thank
you,
you,
my
bro.
brother.
Thank you,
Thank you
bro.
guys for tuning in. Watch us. You know, we'll be on air sometime this week. That's MX24, MX TV. Some more music for my brother. Salute.